Hey, I'm Roland and I'm still at MWC 2026 and we're looking at the iQoo 15 Ultra. This is the Ultra flagship gaming smartphone that this Vivo sister or daughter brand basically launched in China so far, and they're probably going to do it in India as well. We don't know about that so far, but it kind of looks like it, at least from what we're hearing. It's a super high-end gaming smartphone. It's not been out for a very long time, and I just wanted to take the chance and have a look at it here at Qualcomm's booth at MWC. As you can see, it's a large one. It has a 6.85-inch AMOLED screen that supposedly goes up to 8,000 candela, or nits in this case. That's probably just a theoretical number because you'll never see 8,000 candela coming from this display, but it's still very bright and it's super easily readable. And as you can already see from what I'm doing here, it's super bright actually. Under the hood, we have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, which is the highest end chip you can get from Qualcomm right now for Android smartphones, and it's combined with up to 24 gigabytes of RAM and up to 1 terabyte of flash storage. As it's a gaming phone, let's have a look around. We have this metal casing here, and you have capacitive touch buttons at the top here, but you still have an in-display camera. So unlike with Nubia's Red Magic devices where you have the camera hidden under the display, this actually still has a cutout, so it will always be visible when gaming. Other than that, we have the power button and the volume rocker right here. Those do not feel flimsy at all. So overall build quality is really nice. Going over to the left here, it gets very special on this device. We have the fan outlet, or maybe inlet, I don't know which way they're pumping the air, but this actually has an active fan. So like the Red Magic devices from ZTE's Nubia, they have an active cooling system in here. So this is the outlet or the inlet, that's the other end basically of the cooling system. But what's special about this is that it's still actually IP69 waterproof. So you can leave this in a depth of, I think it's like 1 meter or 1.5 meters for like half an hour, and it won't suffer, although it still has this active cooling thing in there. It's pretty impressive. You can make a active cooling system work in a waterproof smartphone, or keep it waterproof. At the bottom you have the nano SIM slot, and you have one of the speakers. The other speaker is at the top right here. You also get what looks like an IR blaster up here, and yeah, that's pretty much it from the outside. Going over to the back, you can see we have a full camera system in here, plus this notification LED that's lighting up right there. Laser autofocus system, and you get three 50 megapixel cameras in this device, so definitely a good camera system, including optical image stabilization and a zoom camera. The LED flash is down here, and yeah, overall it looks really nice. It has this pretty interesting glowing kind of flickering back panel design on here, so definitely looks very nice in this case. So yeah, that was just a very quick look at the iQoo 15 Ultra gaming smartphone here at MWC 2026.